Upwork is one of the top freelancer sites that connects businesses with skilled individuals. It boasts a hefty database of more than 200 million users from 420 different countries, making it a valuable resource for businesses looking to outsource their work. These sites are excellent for one-off projects and offer professionals various services ranging from web and mobile development to design and creative writing. In addition, Upwork has a live chat functionality to keep employers and freelancers updated on the status of projects. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. First, he will discuss the top best freelancer website with the most work 2022. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside. What's going on? We want to talk about freelancing today. We want to talk about sites that you can take the opportunity. If you are a freelancer, you can join these sites and get exposed where you can have some work done. But before we go any further, what I like to do is I want to just do a definition of what is a freelancer. A freelancer is an individual who earns money on a per job or per task basis, usually for a short-term work. A freelance is not an employee or a firm, or it may therefore be at liberty to complete different jobs concurrently by various individuals or firm unless contractually committed to working exclusively until the particular project is complete. And I just want to kind of read that definition for you so you can understand what your role. Now, if you come to this video, I might be insulting your intelligence, but some people don't know what freelancers is. So I just want to kind of pass that on. But we're going to start out today with 5 freelancing sites that you can come to. And if you want to have a work from home atmosphere or work from home job, these are the sites you can come with. But just bear in mind, when you're talking about freelancers, the best thing to do is go through these sites and find out if you have what it takes to be able to do these tasks. So the first site we're going to go to is Fiverr. Fiverr at one time, and the way they got started is majority of their tasks was $5. I remember pretty much every last one of those tasks that people had to do is for $5. And I was like, how are they making any money this way? But if you look at it now, once you get in good and you starting to make that good money, then you could charge for the exclusive package. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and log in. So let's just do it this way. Let's sign in so we can take a look at some of the jobs. So what you want to do is, I don't know what you are. You could be a graphic designer, or you could be a writer or whatever. And I'm gonna probably stay on this one the longest because this is what I consider the top freelancer. So what we're going to do is look at some of the jobs and show you how you could really make money. So let's look at graphic design. We just want to use that as one of the jobs. Let's just look at logo design, just see what's out there. If you look at it, you got certain people started out. See, at one time this was only $5. Now, if you look at what's going on, you could charge more money because of your skill, and you have to earn to raise the price. You look at some of these designs. This guy here has almost 1K far as reviews, so he can go up in his price. So what I'm trying to say is, if this was a site that you wanted to actually do work from, if you got skills that you can do, you can start out, and once your rating becomes real good, then you can increase your price. So I'm just trying to tell you, and it's a lot of if you come through Fiverr, just register. Go ahead and register just to be able to look at what's going on. You don't have to purchase anything, or you don't have to do anything, but you want to find out what kind of task can I do. Look through everything and find out what you can do if you're looking for a job. Because like I said, if you've come to this channel before, sometime I might announce jobs that has no experience. But one thing you do have to have some kind of skill. No matter what it is, you have to have some skills. So like I said, Fiverr is a great opportunity. And right here, you can even go in and let's just look at the pro servers. The pro services, these are sites that these pro services, they make pretty good money. But these pro servers are verified because of the quality of their work. So what I'm trying to say is, you can start out at a company like Fiverr and get your quality up and brand yourself. And then you can become one of these guys. Look at there. This is good money. You talking about $1,500, $4,000. So what end up happening? And we just stand with logos and graphic designers. You end up designing graphics for a company. Now, I was a graphic art major in college. Well, we did internship and we visit companies where you could possibly go work with. That gets rid of this. This is you. That gets rid of those companies. Here you are. If you a freelancer, you can charge your own price if your quality of work is worth it. Look at here. Look at it. Look how many jobs that are out there. Look at here. I mean, look, for them to be charging this kind of money, people are paying it. I'm just telling you, people are paying. Look at this is a logo. This is a right here, design perfect logo for your business. That's $4,000. You see that? So if you happen to come across this video and this is what you do, man, you could do this. Look at there. Look at there. And that don't have to be the only thing that you do. It's various things you could do. So I'm just trying to tell you, this is Fiverr is still number one when it comes to things like that. So I just want to let you know, Fiverr, if you want to be a freelancer and you got skills, here's the one. And they also have writing and translation. And I've done things on this channel about translation. So let's go on to the next site, Upworks. Upworks is, wow. Upwork is a pretty good business. And I'm gonna tell you, they have pretty good business. Let me see. Find work for your skills. So we can just look in it, and you know what? We're gonna stay with graphic design just to be congruent with the video, and we'll just type that in. Could I not spell that right? We'll just scroll down, man. For sure. Here we go. We'll just do it like that. All right. See, now, reason why we went here, I just want to show you some of the things that now when you come here to Upworks is a company that people put out jobs, and they want to see if you can get it. Like, you look at this, and let's take a look at a couple of these jobs, just so you're familiar with it. Check out the sample of 14,297 graphic design jobs. Now this one here is a company. They're looking for someone right here. We're looking for super talented graphic design to create banners that we run in the media, and plus if you have experience in it. So you're not actually advertising, they're actually looking for people. So you can come in and look at this if you're a taskmaster. All right, you look at this. I'm looking for someone who knows what they're doing. I need a professional layout artist to typeset my books and also design my book covers. I didn't go further in it, but that's what they're saying. So I'm just telling you, these are jobs that are out there that you can come in and look. And this one, when I done this one, I guess you can find work, or you want to be hired as a graphic designer. So I could have done that, and then that's when you got to go ahead and register and everything like that. But yeah, you can come in and look for work. So, you know, I want to consider this one's just my number 2, but I was just kind of going through a little bit of the layout so you can take a look at it and just get you some work. And they got what you can load more jobs. So, and like I said, you can have this schedule. And look, wow, this is something else. This is a pretty good price. This is need mobile app for an app similar to Uber for Africa. And I did see a actual company a couple months ago that I was researching. It was a company that will pay you $150,000 a year to actually create an app and keep the app maintenance on for their company. That's very impressive if you were good and skillful in that particular field. So that is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. And you know, this one was Upwork. Now let's go to Freelancer, and let's just browse for jobs. You're a taskmaster. We want to find out, you know, what kind of jobs is available for you. And what you would do, say if you was a part of several of these companies, what you would have to do, you would have to schedule and prioritize these jobs to not let them overlap. So that's what you should do. Now this one is English into Portuguese, and this is just a speaker, and I should have did graphic designer. I can do that if we want to stay congruent. Let's just see. Yeah. And we want to look at it. Interior designer, that's pretty good. Content for website banner. So Facebook ad professional, which that is pretty good. And that's Facebook ad professional. Is you really have to be good on this one. Yeah, cafe branding website developer. Yeah. So we're looking at PowerPoint designer. There are jobs that are out here, and there's a freelance job, interior design. You know, and these are jobs out here. If you want to announce yourself as a job, you will have to register and I want to work. So and you will be advertising your job as a graphic designer or whatever like that. And I'm not sure, but they're going to charge a fee. I just want to make sure you're not ignorant to that. You will get charged a fee when you put yourself out there. Just like on Fiverr, they will get a portion of your money. So that's just the way it is. So that's just the deal. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and go to the next one here. The next one is Peeper per hour. Now I want to say this before we go into this. They pay by euros. So I guess most of their work is in the European field. So you can see kind of what they're talking about here. And we don't even have to go different places. You can see it right here on the design, SEO friendly, responsive website. Yeah. And I think this one here, this is somebody advertising this. This is kind of what you would be doing if this is your field. So this is a person that's selling what they would do if you want to design something. So let's just go ahead and I want to do it as but I did want to go ahead and find what's expert freelancers. Let's look at this one. These are people who advertise in jobs. So it might be, and you probably have to sign up if you wanted to be a person that advertise your work for these jobs. Because see this one right here, SEO content blog writer, pasted blog posts. This is what they're charging per hour. Look how many views these people got, how many projects this person got. So his pay is probably, that's why his pay up. And you look at her, she's charging $34 an hour. She's had 7,000 projects. So just want to say, you can come in, either look for work or you can come in and advertise for work. That's what all these jobs is about. So that's just cool. Really cool to take a look at it. And be honest with you, I consider these that I'm going through probably the top freelancer sites worldwide. Shoot me a message or whatever if you find any more sites that in this competitive range. These are top, I think, worldwide. So let's go to our last one we want to talk about. Let's go to gurus. Find a job, find a freelancer. Let's just find a job, because you can be a freelancer and it could be in your field. And I want to type in graphic designer again, you know, just keep the video congruent, you know. And it even came up. Let's just look at it right here. Look at a brand guide and company logo. Looking for a simple, yeah, see what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell you. If you got this kind of skill, man, there are jobs out there, you know. And I wouldn't apply for a job like that unless I have my skill down ready. Website design. I'm looking for to have a website design or design. Oh yeah, one was original on Google. It needs to have either hosted with Google or somewhere else, but need a design. So cool. It's just different things that you can do. So that's pretty cool. So like I said, this one has you where you're not actually employed by someone. You are your own employee, and then you have to go out and be efficient enough to schedule your jobs where you constantly have work where you're making money. So that's just the way it is. So I want to consider these my top 5 freelancer sites, and these the ones that you need to look into when it comes to being a freelancer. And remember, when you're a freelancer, you have to fill out tax-wise on a 1099. So just wanted to let you know that. But guys, this is what I want to share with you today, and hopefully you'll be satisfied. And if you're a freelancer, these are places you need to go to get started. Guys, take care, and I just want you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you the next time around. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.